Hi students, a lot of you have asked how can I get sources like the New York Times or Economist or Washington Post free through Jules Query Library for your research projects. Here's how to do it. So let me show you one of the most powerful databases that will let you get free articles from the New York Times, the Washington Post, the Economist. To do that, you want to go to the Query Library web page, and there you want to click on Databases. Then in the search engine, you want to type in Lexis, because we're headed to the LexisNexis academic search page. Once you're there, scroll down to the LexisNexis and click on that. Then at this point or somewhere, you may need to put in your dual password, and that would be your email login and password, and then click Search the News. And I'm going to type in China Human Rights. And I'm going to type in New York Times. And the first one there is their international, just can't quite see it. Then I'm going to click in Go. And now you see I'm going to get full text sources, and I'm going to switch it because I normally like to go newest to oldest. And now you've got the full text, you'll be able to cite it. With this LexisNexis tool, you'll be able to get the New York Times, you'll be able to get the Washington Post, the Economist. It's a really powerful tool that will help you do all kinds of research in political science at Joule, and it's all free through Query Library. So I hope that helps. Good luck on your projects.